What's up everybody, how's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. And before I leave the house, I wanted to make a video where I am talking about the new Airpod replicas. And if you don't know, you should know because I've covered these in so many different videos, okay? And these Airpod replicas are the best replicas I've encountered. I continue to keep getting the best versions and also providing you guys with the best opportunities to use them. So these have a tight seal. They also work with Siri. They work with Find My iPhone, have a working serial number. They are magnetic, so when you close it, it snaps. It's magnetic. They also have the best sound quality I've experienced. And again, it may seem like I'm biased because obviously these are my AirPod Pro replicas. I don't get them off of AliExpress. I don't get them off of Alibaba. I have a direct connect. I got my connection with these AirPod Pros if you really want to know, because a lot of people have been asking me, oh, do you get them from AliExpress? Do you get them from Alibaba? Do you get them from here and there? No. Where I got these from is a connect. First of all, a guy walked into my store one day. He was like, hey, do you have any screens that I can buy? I'm like, I'm not a screen buying location. He was like, no, like any cracked screens. So I ended up selling this Chinese guy a whole bunch of screens that we repaired, that we took from phones that we repaired. And we started talking and he started telling me that he has a factory in China. And when he told me that, me and him were talking, I was like, yeah, I could really use like more headphones. And he ended up sending me, when he went back to China, a pair of AirPod replicas, and they were shitty. They were trash, right? So I told him, I was like, oh yeah, these are cool, but these aren't my twist. Like, I need something that sounds like the real thing. So what was happening when I got my first pair of AirPod replicas, not these, but the first version, the version a lot of people get, and they try to sell them for like $50, $60, even $100, right? So what it was every time I went to the gym, they would stop playing. Every time I was on the phone, if I touched it just a little bit, it would hang up. And that was really annoying. Plus the bass wasn't the same, right? So what happened was he ended up sending me another pair and another pair, and they kept getting better. And then he sent me the main connect, and he sent me this warehouse. We developed a relationship, and I started selling AirPod replicas literally myself. I was able to generate, and this is how they come. They don't come like this. They come like this, okay? So even on the website at I'm Hustler's Mindset, you can see pods, and this is how it's going to look, okay? We seal these like this so that they can get to you. Like, I mean, it's obvious. I've had people literally not open this part and be like, oh, Brandon scammed me. It's pretty annoying because I wouldn't scam you. Okay, let's make that clear. Have no need. All I do is good business. And I'm going to shout out the people that actually got AirPods most recently in a second, okay? Because they are getting packed, and they are going to be packaged, and they are going to be sent. I really want you guys to, number one, know I appreciate you. So I'm going to stop what I'm saying, and I do want to go ahead and do these shout outs. So Nico, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Who else? Deontay, I appreciate you. If I don't say your name, it's not because I missed you. I'm going to say like one more. Alexander, Franklin, and everybody else. I appreciate you guys. Your orders are shipping out today. They're already packaged. And again, they're not going to come like this. They're going to come like this. Inside this box is going to be this box, okay? And you guys can make, I've seen people make anywhere from 150 per pair to 170. Some people make 112. They sell them on eBay. They sell them on MERCARI. They sell them in person, pop-up shops. The best place you can sell these this summer, flea markets. I'm telling you, like, I'm telling you. Now, when it comes to these AirPod replicas, there's a few questions that I want to address that I consistently keep getting asked. Is what platform to sell them? The platform I would say for you to sell AirPod replicas, especially these ones, is going to be, you can sell them on MERCARI, you can sell them on eBay, you can sell them on OfferUp, you can sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Yes, I said you can sell them on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, MERCARI. You can sell these at these locations. You just have to know how to list them. And I have a class every Wednesday for $7 where I show you how to list them. Like, I literally have the resources to make sure you guys are getting the help that you need so that you can make the most money. Okay, and Nico, prime example, when he gets his, he could pay me $7 and I'll run down exactly how to list them so they don't get taken down. It's so easy. Okay, and again, we have everything that you need when it comes to the Airpod replicas. As far as the back being a 101, the product is a 101. The only reason I'm not opening this because this is actually somebody's Airpods. So I don't want to open these. I'm not at my store, so I don't have a sample with me. But I do want to let you guys know. I'll do another unboxing if you guys want me to. But there are unboxings on the channel already. I just wanted to stop by. I wanted to talk about the Airpod replicas. I wanted to answer some questions. Now, if you guys are finding that your post is getting taken down, it can be because the title, you have AirPod Pro, Apple AirPod Pro. It's a whole bunch of different things that you literally have to do. If you have an account that is already used to being known for selling fake replicas, I wouldn't post these because these are going to be able to pass as real. But because I hate saying it, because then I have people that are literally selling it and saying to customers these are real. To answer the question, should you promote AirPod replicas as being real AirPods? So should you promote these as being real? Right? The $1,000,000 question. Hey, Brandon, when you sell these, do you say they're real? Let me talk to you. Okay? Let me talk to you. All right. It's a such thing as doing good business and bad business. Okay? When you're honest with people when it comes to business, you always end up on top. When you lie and you try to finesse, you end up always getting bad karma. I'm going to tell you because I've seen it. I've sat there. I sold AirPods. I said that they were real and the customer returned them. So the way I would approach it is there's a way to finesse it, right? So what I would do is I would sell AirPods rather in bundles or individually. I wouldn't list 5 of them. I would list 1. And when I list this one, I'm going to keep relisting this one when it sells. And if you get, example, MERCARI, this happens all the time. People will, once you list these AirPods, you list them, right? People are going to be like, hey, are these real? What I would say is, so I got these from a friend, or I brought these, I didn't need them, they came with my service when I set up my cell phone service, or I got these as a gift. But I got these as a gift. That thing is old. Like that one is played out. What I would really say is when I signed up for my recent service, my recent cell phone service, I was able to get these with my package. I don't really need them. I already have some, so I'm selling these. That's how I would answer it. So like if they're asking, are they real? That's what I would say if you want to approach it and not say these are replicas or 101s. Because I do know some people, they just don't want to. But I wouldn't blatantly just go out of there and just be like, yeah, these are Apple certified. The way to, like, if you ever heard of OEM, right? OEM. The way to get around people that want a solidified product that is straight from Apple is by saying OEM. They're OEM, which is a replica. OEM is a replica. And that's why when people be like, oh, well, replicas are not illegal. They're not legal. You shouldn't be. No, replicas are just like the phone cords that you get from Walmart that look exactly like the iPhone cords. I'm not talking about the black ones or the colored ones. I'm talking about the white ones. They have different cords on Amazon. And if it wasn't allowed, they wouldn't be able to replicate that. So yes, you can sell AirPod replicas. You just got to know how to sell them, how to get the most money out of it. And once you do, you're going to make profit. Now, when you make the profit, I recommend you go into putting that money towards another income stream. As you guys know, I don't recommend just selling these for the rest of your life. I want to always urge you guys to create a business, create another type of income from it. AirPod replicas are easy for you to make money with right now and then flip into some more bread. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. I'll see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Peace.